You will arrive at your destination at 10:07 a.m.
Alright, so kind of in time pinch today. I got a doctor's appointment I got to go to, but the call I was sent, I get down there and the bottom of the tank, Bradford white tank's just filled with water. The tank needs to be replaced, so yeah, I'm in a real time crunch. But I already hooked up the drain hose, everything, got it drained out. So all basically I got to do is cut the dang thing out. Gas is disconnected. I got to cut the cold water pipes, cold and hot water pipe. Get it out of there, get the new one in, refit it up, and everything should line up. It's a Bradford white tank. So I'm just going to change the cold water valve on it. I got the cold water shut off to the house right now, so I had to run back to the shop, grab the tank. But I'm in a time crunch. I got a doctor's appointment, so I got a doctor's appointment in 2 hours. I don't even know if I'm going to make it. But we got to get this customer hot water. My appointment can wait. I can be a little late to it. So, and I will get you some video on this one. Shouldn't take me that long. Alright, we got our old tank out, new tank in. So basically the same setup. So I'm just going to get some, gotta get a valve socket pressed on. Get a valve pressed on, fit this stuff up really quick. Cup in here. It's like a 15-minute water tank change. I already tightened my unions up outside. Right on. go get some channel locks, get that tightened up, and some pipe. Did I get piped up? Nope, no piped up. So let me go get some channel locks and some pipe dope or tape. We'll get this thing rolling. Blue pipe dope for your pleasure. It was a 50 to a 50. So there ain't nothing to it. You got the vent back on. It's just a 50 to a 50 change. Right. The water back on. already bled the line out. There we are, pilot's lit. There we go. Piece of cake. Just gotta get water on it. I'm out of here. Well, that was not terrible. It was a 50 to 50 swap, so there wasn't too much to it. Everything lined up. Didn't have unions. If it had unions, it would have been faster, because I would have just undid the unions, put the new union bottoms on, and pipe would have been done. But no, it didn't have unions. So I had to cut the pipe, refit it, put a new valve in, whatever. That's the benefit of unions when you go to change the tank. But everyone seems to be against them for some reason, I don't know. Did my gas leak check, lit that thing up, got the vent hooked up. Easy as can be. I got that call at 9 o'clock this morning. Diagnosed it, went and got a tank at the shop, came back, had a helper to get the one out, the new one in, and that was it. There's nothing to it. I was done by 10:45. Plus I had to get the tank, you know, I mean, that's pretty quick. So it's just a quick water heater change, nothing big, but I have to go to the doctor's, and I had to get out of there quick, so that was another reason why it went so quick. But everything lined up, it was good to go. Customer's happy, and
Turn left.
that's it for this one. We will see you on the next one.